All right, welcome back to Unbox and Chill, guys. Thank you so much for stopping in once again. Shooting another video here. Of course, we're doing these in rapid succession, so it's the same day, and of course I'm wearing the same watch, but we're just knocking out some content that I've been sitting on, that I've had ready to go. I will say real quick, I want to say at the top of the video, hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell, just so that you know anytime that I drop new content. And then also, we do have a giveaway going on. Go ahead and do me a favor in the description box down below. There's 3 ways to enter. We're sending out an automatic watch to somebody. Just make sure you follow this YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. Give us a follow. And lastly, go to the link in the description box and drop your email address in there. I'm not going to contact you. There will be no spam. The only way I will contact you is if you win, okay? So you don't have to worry about me. I'm not sending out nothing. I'm not advertising. I'm not selling anything, okay? So, like I said, do that if you want to be a part of the giveaway. This is our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We already sent something out at 500 subscribers, so this is just our 1,000 subscriber giveaway that I'm getting on track here, okay? All right, let's get down to it. So I will say, in terms of Watch Gang, which is kind of the majority, the bulk of the videos that I do here, I do unbox a lot of the Watch Gang videos, and especially when I first started out, I did a lot of the Watch Gang, and I did a lot of the Watch Gang black tier watches. This watch right here, I will say, is blows anything that Watch Gang has sent under their black tier out of the water, and it was $99. So we're going to check this out here. And that's kind of the basis I have this at. It's just kind of showing you guys. You've been watching the channel. You've seen everything that we've gotten from Watch Gang at the $99 price point. And I was very surprised at what I got for $99 from this company. So quick wristwatch check. I am wearing the Oris. Got an Oris Aquas on today. This is the Carlos Coste, same one I've been wearing past couple videos here, because keep in mind, these are filmed on the same day, so this is probably the 3rd video where I'm wearing effectively the same watch, so this is kind of been this is what I'm wearing today, okay? I'm going to go ahead and take it off and get my wrist ready. We're going to put this over to the side here. There we go. All right, and guys, 99 bucks. We got something from Deep Blue. So I have unboxed several Deep Blues on the channel. I believe I've unboxed 3 Deep Blue watches on the channel. Good dive watches for the money. Customer service maybe leaves a little something to be desired. But pretty good dive watches for the money. If you're diligent, you can get decent customer service from them. You just kind of maybe have to be a little more diligent than you do with other places, from what I've heard, from what I understand. But for 99 bucks, this is a win. So now, of course, you get the Deep Blue pouch, which I always like. It's always welcome. The Deep Blue pouch, no paper boxes here, none of that garbage. You get a nice little zipper pouch for travel, which I love. We'll open this up here. We will put the watch to the side for a second. I just want to show you the other goodies that kind of come along with something like this, okay? As we pop this open, here we go. So you do get a nice keychain, Deep Blue Precision Diver. And this usually comes with, I think every one I've had, you've gotten one of these. So remove before diving, okay? So we'll put that to the side there. You do have the instruction manual, limited warranty. You get a nice microfiber cloth, branded with the Deep Blue Precision Diver on there. You do also get the Deep Blue, the warranty card. I don't know why my brain just died. Warranty card, and of course, a sticker, Deep Blue. So it's always nice to get extra swag when you buy a watch. This is kind of some extra stuff that just comes with it. And then, of course, like I said, you do get this nice pouch. Throw something in there. Very nice for the price point. This is a huge win. And what we got here, as you can see that exhibition case back going on there, I like that a lot. This is the Master 1000. So this Master 1000, and if you go to Deep Blue's website right now, actually, they do have essentially a sale going on. So they have a $99 section. I believe they have a $109 and like a $149 section. And I just wanted to point out, as you kind of, start to get into watches, You have something where you're in a subscription box service like WatchGang, and you're getting those watches for $99 a month. There are a lot of kind of Chinese stuff and that sort of thing, and a lot of it is chronos. We've been chronoed to death, but something like this, guys. This comes with the Seiko NH35 automatic movement. As you can see it sweeping away there. Beautiful gradient dial on this. Kind of goes from black down here, or dark down here, almost black, up to kind of a light blue. It has kind of a nice fade going on the dial there. The lume on these is really good. If I get my black light, I will actually... You know what? Bear with me 1 second, guys. Hold on. I'm going to go off camera as I go over to my cabinet here and grab my black light. We're going to show you the lume on this one here, which I don't normally do. The lume on these are actually really, really good. I like them, and I like the color. Let's see here. And then, of course, it doesn't come on a stainless steel strap at that price point. You do just get this this silicone strap here with their logo. But I will say, listen, it's nothing that a $20 shark mesh from Amazon can't fix, right? So we're going to throw this on the wrist. Well, let me read the specs here real quick, and then we'll throw it on the wrist. Bear with me 1 second. This is gonna be a little bit longer video because normally I have the site and everything already pulled up for you guys. I'm gonna go there right now. Talk amongst yourselves, and I'm gonna pull this up here. So bear with me 1 second. So I normally have this ready to go, and I have this in terms of show notes. I have this ready to go. So let's see here. I'm gonna pull this up, and I did get this from the Deep Blue website, just to let you guys know. So this did come from the Deep Blue website, and okay. Hold on 1 second. I got something. Okay, there we go. Cool. So let's increase that. All right. So just to let you guys know here, thank you for being patient, bearing with me real quick here. You do have, as it says here, as I said earlier. So this is the Seiko NH35 automatic movement here. You do get, and this is for $99. You get an automatic movement by Seiko. You get the sapphire crystal, AR coated and scratch resistant. So sapphire crystal. A lot of times, WatchGang, you're getting chronos with mineral crystal. Okay, sapphire crystal with AR coating. You've got an NH35 automatic movement, 120 click unidirectional bezel. Does say 21,600 VPH, 24 joules with gauge, or somewhat the movement there. And then you do have 100 feet, or 1,000 feet or 330 meters rather, water resistance on this one. So, and again, $99, not bad at all. This is the Master 1000, and this is the second gen. So this is Gen 2 on this one. So beautiful watch. Like I said, got that kind of color shift dial, ceramic bezel. Look at that ceramic bezel around there. Again, you're not getting a ceramic bezel for $99 at a WatchGang. A lot of times you're not getting a Seiko NH35. Sometimes you do, but in many cases you don't. You get some kind of junky Chinese chrono, and then also beautiful dial here. And let's check out the lume real quick before we do the wrist shot. So let me see here as I maybe try to turn off some of the studio lights here. Maybe 1 second. There we go. All right. So some of the studio lights are off. And I've got my handy black light here, courtesy care of NTH. It came with my NTH watch. But let's light that up here so you guys can see the lume on this. It has this really beautiful to me blue lume on this. So, or yeah, it's like a very bright, blue lume on that watch. So, as you can see. And also all the Deep Blue watches, they all have just really good lume for the price point here. So we'll turn that off. We'll let the lume shine there, and I'm gonna throw it on the wrist. I'm gonna throw it on the wrist here. But I really want, you know, as my channel starts to expand, guys, you know, I started as a channel that just kind of primarily unboxed watch gang watches. As my channel starts to progress, I'm going to show you guys some of the other stuff here, some other watches, some other really good brands. Let me turn the lights back on here. There we go. And there we go. Just some other stuff here that you can get at a really good price point. And when there's a good deal, I really want to put it out so you guys can take advantage of it. 99 bucks. Listen, you'd be hard pressed to find the watch with this much for $99. Okay. Like I said, and that's kind of without going the Chinese or you know, what is it? Oh boy, I don't know why I can't think of the name, but the Alibaba, kind of the Alibaba route. A lot of times you can find maybe some of the Chinese stuff at this price point. But in terms of stuff that, you know, again, these are made in the USA. These are, you know, I mean, usually decent quality. You know, it's nice to see something for 99 bucks that you can pick up right now that, like I said, just feels this nice, looks this nice. Okay. I will actually put a link in the description below to some of these sales so that you guys can check it out here. Because, like I said, it's great to start with watch gang, and I do like watch gang. I do like to unbox those watches. I do like to kind of see, you know, what they're sending out and what you can get for that price point. But just understand there's other stuff out there. You know, there's other watch brands. There's other things going on. And it is nice to see something like this of pretty decent quality that you can get for something that's not a lot of money. So link will be in the description below. Take advantage. Pick yourself up something. Let me know what you got. Let me know what color you got in the comment section below. I do appreciate you guys watching. Hit that subscribe button. Join the Unbox and Chill family, of course. Join the giveaway. Like I said, follow us here. Subscribe to our channel here. Follow us on Instagram, and then throw your email into the link below. And I'll definitely announce the winner on July 31st. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is, of course, been Unbox and Chill. Signing out.